Welcome back to another video in our Best of 2025 series. I am Francisca Alonso, CEO of AV Architects and Builders, and today we are at the Ferguson showroom in Taylor, Virginia to talk about trends in residential appliances. I am joined by Taylor Viands from Ferguson. Taylor, thank you so much for joining me today.
It's been wonderful to be a part of this series again. Thanks for having me.
Let's start broad. How would you summarize the major residential appliance trends of 2025?
This year was all about features, from cooling options and cooking tools to warming capabilities. Homeowners want appliances that enhance their lifestyle.
Absolutely. Functionality has become just as important as aesthetics. Smart appliances have dominated the market in previous years. Did we see that to continue this year?
Very much so. My favorite innovation has been the new laundry towers with that middle connector.
Yes.
Linking the washer and dryer to one central control screen. It's great for smaller spaces and adds real convenience.
That's absolutely brilliant. Anything that simplifies daily routines is a win. Which appliances were top sellers for 2025?
Steam ovens, without a doubt. They're healthy, versatile, and can do just about everything.
I love to hear that. They're incredibly efficient and perfect for modern kitchens and modern chefs. What features are homeowners asking for most in their appliances?
They want appliances to almost cook for them. And we're getting close. Pop that food in, press a few buttons, and you got a perfect brisket. Convenience is the priority.
It's amazing to see how much technology has elevated the cooking experience. What was your personal favorite appliance in 2025?
Refrigeration, specifically models with the interior camera, it's perfect for a busy homeowner. You can check if you need milk or cheese from your phone before you head home.
Or when someone is sneaking into the fridge in the middle of the night, you can watch the camera and can you say, hey?
That's very accurate. Yes, that too.
That's a lifesaver, especially when you're juggling schedules, events, groceries, everything. What do you predict is coming in 2026?
Even more Wi-Fi and Bluetooth features, I would say. Connectivity is the direction everyone is really heading.
We're building smarter and smarter homes so that evolution makes perfect sense. And what's the best way for people to reach you?
You can actually email me directly at taylor.viands@ferguson.com, or if easier for you, you can visit our website at ferguson.home and book with me.
Thank you so much for watching, and a big thank you to Taylor from Ferguson for sharing her insights with us today. Be sure to check out the other videos in our Best of 2025 series for more inspiration. And if you're ready to start designing your own dream home, we'd love to guide you through the process. You can reach us anytime at avarchitectsbuild.com. Again, I am Francisca Alonso with AV Architects and Builders, and I will see you in the next video.